Hi everyone, this is Blossoms, your property consultant in Mombasa, Kenya. And today we are in Mtwapa, showcasing these beautiful 3-bedroom townhouses for sale. Remember, we have done a phase 1 of this project. We did a phase 2 of this project. And now this is phase 3. Welcome to Greenwood Gardens, Mtwapa, phase 3. The sizes of these units, it is 162 meters square and the price is 8.5 million. Welcome to the tour of this project. Karibuni sana. Now for the tour of the 3-bedroom townhouses at Greenwood. This is your typical layout and this is what you get. The townhouses comes with a steel door, wooden door. Now coming into your living room space. Now this is your living room space. It is very spacious. A 7-seaters can fit very comfortable in this space. The room is very well ventilated. We have that big room. We have these 2 small windows, that is. Now, and on this other side, you have more space, which you can use as your workstation. Take note, in a typical layout for this unit, there is a door to your kitchen. But on this particular client, he requested to have his entrance door to the kitchen closed, then he gets more space in here. Now let's move on this side. Now this is your dining space. So for this particular client, he opted for the open plan kitchen. Before we go to the kitchen, now this is your dining space. It can comfortably fit 8-seaters on this space. We move on. Now, also, this is an extra cost. Normally, this wall is closed. But now, he requested for a sliding door to your Dobby area. Now, this is your Dobby area. Check out. Now, this is your Dobby area. Your Dobby area for your washing machine, and you have your water outlet. And also, on this side, you have like a 3-meter garden space. They are still working on the garden part. Now let's go into the kitchen. Now the kitchen, it comes with this dark granite worktop. You can do your 2 stools or serve your food or your guests to your dining space. Now this is your typical kitchen layout. The kitchen comes with a dark granite worktops with these wood finishing cupboards. And this is your enough space for your double fridge. This one, you can do your, that is your oven and microwave setup. And on this side, you have your single stainless sink and a place whereby the tap will be fixed. Now, this is your door to your Dobby. The client requested for a sliding door to the Dobby area. So, a typical kitchen setup, you get a door on your Dobby area or going to your Dobby. Now, let's check the other areas. Now, from your living room space, now this is the toilet for your guests. This is your guest toilet. All the 3 bedrooms are up. Let's go up for the other 3 bedroom. Now this is your upper level. We have 3 bedrooms. So all the 3 bedrooms are on this upper level. Let's start with this room. Now this is the typical size. It is quite spacious. 6 by 6 bed will fit perfectly on this end, leaving you more space to move around. And you have this very beautiful wood finish wardrobe, just for you to fold and hang your clothes, and you have more space on the upper level. This is your bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, it is more spacious compared to bedroom number 1 and well ventilated. The other one had 1 windows. This one you get 2 windows on this side. Very spacious bed space and even a bigger wardrobe space compared to the first bedroom. Now this is your wardrobe, the same finishing, wood finishing with extra room on the upper level. These rooms are not ensuite, but this is the common washroom for the 2 bedrooms that we have seen. So the 2 bedroom, the finishing for this washroom is ongoing. So it comes with a window on top. There'll be a shower head here, the shower knob, sitting toilet, a jet spray will be installed, and also your sink vanity in here. And a PVC door just to insulate from corrosion or the water to spoil your door. Now this is your primary bedroom. Welcome to your primary bedroom. Your primary bedroom, it is very spacious, and it has a bed space tucked on this corner. You see, you can tuck your bed on this corner, so leaving you more room to go around this place. There is a window and a sliding door to your balcony space. Now this is your bed space, and on that end, next to your sliding door, you have a place which you can do your dressing table. Before we go to the balcony, you get an L-shaped wardrobe. So this has more space for his and hers, for the hanging and folding of their clothes. Now on this end, this is your washroom. Coming to the washroom. So this is your washroom. It has just a good space for you. It has a window, a shower head will be installed here. You get your sitting toilet, a place for your jet spray, and your sink vanity to be installed in here. Now, let's check out the balcony. So this is your typical balcony space. Check out our balcony. On this balcony, it is just good enough to be watching your kids as they play around the compound, because we have good space for your kids to ride the bikes or your kids to play. So this is an ideal home for you and your family and your loved ones. And even you can just do a good outdoor chair. You can relax as you bask on this weather. Let's go to the upper level, that is the terrace. So we see on the terrace. Now, this is our open terrace space. Now this is your space on the upper level. This is your open terrace. The townhouses comes with an open terrace for you and your family to relax. You can do a semi-permanent structure that is a gazebo, so that you can just bask on the open terrace just for you and your family to relax. So the upper level has been well insulated from the rainwater, so you are assured that there is no drainage or spillage of rainwater into your house. So the developer did that consideration. Now on this end, you have your upper level whereby you can do your laundry place. Remember, we have adobe area downstairs. So this is for your dirty washing. You can do your dirty washing on up here. And on this end, apart from this place giving you more space, we have designated just a place for you to do your hanging of your clothes. So you can hang your clothes there. Already there is a place that has been made for you. So you just come with your hanging lines. So this is it for this particular project. This is Greenwood phase 3. Already we did phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And on this phase 3, we only have 1 or 2 units remaining because we have been selling this unit off plan. So the payment for this project is 50% deposit, balance within 3 months remaining of the construction period. Karibu sana. Welcome to Bliss Homes, your property consultant in Mombasa, Kenya. Karibu.